Hey everyone, welcome to Shima Flow Yoga. I'm Jody and this is Bruno, aka Mr. Mars, and he's all ready because today's practice is yoga for bedtime. This is going to be a 10-minute practice that you can literally do in your bed. So it is the perfect practice to bring with you every night. And what we're accompanying our practice with is this amazing essential oil from doTERRA, lavender. Now lavender you can use all different ways. This is my favorite oil ever. First of all, it smells so good. I mean, it just makes me so happy. So I diffuse it. I have it in the diffuser. I put a few drops in there. I put some on the bottoms of my feet, behind my ears, and then with the residue, I just wipe right underneath my nose. It helps me have that smell as I fall asleep. And then I put a few drops under my tongue before bed, and I am good to go. So let's get started. Grab your yoga mat. Maybe you have a pillow that you're going to use, whatever you need, a blanket, and let's find your happy place. Okay, so we're going to start in child's pose. You're going to want to sit back on your heels. This is a very calming and soothing and relaxing posture. So take your blanket or your bolster or a pillow, whatever you're using, and you're going to just place it long ways so that your body can rest on it. You might want to prop it up a little higher so your head is elevated. It really just depends on what's going to feel best in your body. We're going to start to fold forward and then just kind of start to relax yourself and really let yourself go here. And then notice we're just gently stretching the back body, allowing yourself to get a little heavier in your space. And you can rest your head from one side or the other to the other, or even rest your forehead down on your arms. Start to tune into your breath and just notice the natural movement of your breath. If you have your diffuser on by you, you might want to turn your head in the direction of the diffuser so you get the benefits of the aromatherapy of lavender. And we're going to start to slowly rise on up. So when we're moving from posture to posture, just move really slowly, take your time. Now we're going to come onto the belly and we're going to extend the legs all the way back. I'm going to move over a little bit. You might have your furry friend in your bed right now with you too, so you just kind of make those accommodations. So in this posture, all we're going to do is we're going to just gently bring some attention to the hips. You're going to take one knee. It doesn't matter which one you take first, your right or your left knee, and you're going to bring it out to the side. And the higher you lift your knee, the more you're going to feel. So you might want to lift up higher, maybe even send that leg out. Just start to lay down, and you might even feel this is how you sleep, right, when you go to bed. So taking that bolster underneath you, and then just starting that relaxation all the way down. And it's about just coming into the mat, sinking, relaxing, and focusing on your breath. Okay, we're going to start to slowly move, switch sides. Again, just move nice and easy. Take your time. And then switch legs. Okay, let's slowly release out. And we're just going to very gently roll onto your back. Okay, so we're going to move into a spinal twist. So as you roll into your back, draw your right knee in towards you, and then just cross it over to the left. I like to kind of prop my pillow up behind me just as a little bit of support. Open up. Good. Allow your body to relax. This gentle twist helps to relieve tension from your spine, balances our nervous system, allowing us to relax just a little more. Very slowly, we're going to start to release out of this side. So take your time. Extend your legs out, and then we're going to switch sides. So left knee's drawing in. Cross it over. Adjust your pillow however you need to. And then just allow your body to relax. And as you're relaxing, starting to let go of anything that might be occupying your mind, focusing on your breath and how you feel in your body. Very slowly releasing out here now. And then you're going to slide yourself up onto the headboard of your bed, or you're probably up against the wall, so you're going to slide yourself up against the wall. So when you come up against the wall, this is called Viparita Karani, legs up the wall. Very, very, very relaxing and calming pose. I feel really funny looking at you and filming this way, a little out of the norm. Okay, but here's how we do it, okay? We slide ourselves all the way up, bend your knees, and then just kind of scoot your butt up to the wall, and then lengthen your legs up, okay? You might want to slide a pillow underneath your hips here. That feels really good, actually. And then relaxing your arms in a comfortable position. So your legs are going to be extended up. Just resting on the wall. Close your eyes. Feel the breath. Notice how much more relaxed you are from when you started the practice. And just begin to surrender. We're going to slowly come back out. So coming back out, just bending your knees, rolling to the side. Okay, and then finding yourself back into a reclined position. Moving into our final resting pose, shavasana. Hopefully, if you're doing this in bed, then this is where we're moving to go to sleep. So resting your arms to your sides. Just laying on your back. Relaxing your body. And sleep well.